Hello beautiful people, my name is Cyprian. Today we are going to talk about color grading. If it is your first time to my YouTube channel, hit subscribe button and turn on notification. Done? Welcome to the Frame by Frame. This video is sponsored by Dehancer. So, what is the Dehancer? Hello Cyprian. Hello friend. Yeah, I have footage that I want you to grade if you have time. Yeah, it should be okay, but I don't want to eat your money again, you know. What are you talking about, bro? What are you talking about, money? Yeah, sure. Now you can grade your footage by yourself. Using Dehancer. It's so quick, easy, and simple. But you know, I'm not a car artist, you know that. I'm not a car artist. I know, but now it is so easy. Using Dehancer, you will ask artists to grade your footage no more. Okay, I'm coming to you to see how can I do it. Yeah, sure. Bro. Yeah, I'm coming to you. Yeah, come to me. I will show you how can figure it out. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you, friend. Yeah. Come on. These are pieces of footage on which we are going to apply our Dehancer. I came to my effect section and typing Dehancer. After I drop it on my footage. The first thing that I am going to do is to mute film grain. Boom. After that, I start to grade my footage. Let's begin it to input. Here to input, it gives you more option to choose the cameras which you have used in shooting. It can't be exactly the same camera which you had used in shooting, but it gives you more cameras which are in the same family. Here I choose Sony Cinema Line FX3 S-Log3. Boom. After selecting camera, we jump to film. Here is where we find the video look. It depends the color you want to give your video. Here we are going to choose Kodak version 3 200T. Alright, because I like warm color. Let's go to the film developer. Here is where that you can boost your color. Gamma correction, color separation, and color boost. Let's continue to the print. Even here you need to choose profile unit. And adjust them. After print, let's go to the film grain. Here is where that you can add grain or noise in your footage in order to look more cinematic. But listen to me, you can add it or refuse, it depends to your choice. After film grain, let's go to the halation. I really like this stuff. Here we are going to connect background and subject. We are going to collect our subject edges. Start your adjustment as usual. Our last flavor that we are going to add in our footage is a bloom. Let's adjust it. Here you can check before and after. Let's see. Okay, the last. If you want to save this look as a LUT, Dehancer has given you an option. We come to the LUT generator and export. Here we have to choose a place where we want to save our LUT. But first of all, you must name it. Okay? We are going to use this LUT on this image to see if it works. Let's go. Alright, you see it works very well. People who want to visit the Dehancer, I will leave the link in my description. Please go and check them out. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that you have enjoyed. If you want to buy these plugins using my promo code CPRO in order to get 10% of discount. That's it from me today. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay. Bye.